Hello guys, welcome to the Altmeter. My name is Tarun. In this video, I'm going to share some most commonly used slang words in the crypto, especially when you are new to crypto space and you are a beginner in crypto trading. You must be looking out some articles and some other crypto traders' tweets and their discussions on Reddit and their announcement on Discords groups, etc. So you may be wondering or you may be coming across some words and you are not aware of those words. So when you know these most commonly used words, it helps you to understand more about some of the information they are sharing. So without getting time wasted, let's get started. So first word in the list I have is FUD. FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, especially when I news something like China banning Bitcoin and some other country banning Bitcoin or some other coins. Definitely, the news media and other popular articles will spread those information, and it creates a panic in the people. So that propaganda entirely is termed as FUD. So FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. So next word in the list I have is pump. Pump means when the price is going up. For example, when particular coin is going up, then we will say, for example, Bitcoin is pumping up, and Ethereum is pumping up, Dogecoin is pumping up. It means that particular coin price is going up in the value. Next word is dump. Dump is quite opposite to the pump. It is the price is going down. For example, we need to dump the USDT when we need Bitcoin price and altcoin price need to increase. We need to dump the USDT and dump the Bitcoin dominance. Next word in the list I have is wrecked. Especially this word is used when particular position is set and they are expected this price may go or up and go down. They will set the most popular traders and the most whales in the crypto will set some short positions and long positions on particular value, especially when the expectations doesn't meet. Their short positions will be wrecked, and long positions will be wrecked. So it is kind of damage to the expectations of their imaginations. So we use especially wrecked for them. Now right now the Bitcoin shorts are getting wrecked. Previously the bulls got wrecked. Either we use like bears are getting wrecked and bulls are getting wrecked. Fifth word in this list I have is wag me. Wag me is a word which means we all gonna make it. It is a acronym for that, and it is used in situations like uh, when a particular trader or someone is saying about the price action is going up. So definitely they will say like whack me in a short form. That means we are gonna make it. We are gonna make some money out of it, like that. Sixth one in this is paper hands. Especially we call someone paper hands is when the panic sells easily for little chaos. As I said earlier, some articles will spread out in the market as Bitcoin is dumping and due to so and so on reasons. So those who are weak-handed, especially those who panic sells immediately for little uncertainty in the market, then definitely we call them as paper hands. It means they are having weak hands of not holding any coins. Diamond hands. Diamond hands is completely opposite to the paper hands. It is especially for the legends, someone who don't care about what the price action is and doesn't care about the chaos in the market. They hold strong. So no matter how much FUD some company is spreading or some article is spreading on the line, they hold very strong because they believe in that project or they believe in the price fundamentals, and they are ready to hold the coins no matter what. Eighth one in this list I have is FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. Mostly those, for example, Bitcoin price is going up now. Those who waited until 20k or 30k level, they waited until the price is stable or behaving negative. Until then they were normal, but right now as the Bitcoin crossing above 60k, major institutional investors and those who called negatively about Bitcoin are FOMOed about the Bitcoin, and they are buying without thinking of anything. They will be having a fear that it might cross about their limitations of the price, which they cannot afford in the future. So in that case, we can use FOMO word in the Bitcoin or in the crypto universe. Next word in this list I have is hurdle. Hurdle means, especially it directly means hold. It means we are holding something very strong without selling or trading. 10th word in this list is DYOR, which is a short form of do your own research. This word is especially used by some influencers who are suggesting some coins about that and explaining about the project fundamentals. And finally, they will say DYOR, which means no matter what I'm saying, but do your own research on your part also, like that. 11th word in my list is moon. Moon is especially used when something it is going up beyond the boundaries. For example, Dogecoin is going to the moon. It is a popular trend in the Twitter space when Dogecoin is going literally high, crossing its boundaries, which means breaking its all-time highs and exploring the new price levels. Then we say it is going to the moon. So next word is ATH, all-time high. When particular coin reaches its highest level of the price which has not seen before, so that can be termed as all-time high, ATH. Next word is ape. This word is used when especially some people, when some, for example, if I say I am aping into some coin, for example, let's say I'm aping into Shiba. I am aping into Shiba because no matter what the fundamentals of Shiba Inu coin is, I don't look at that. Just because of hype and because of the aura it is creating in the market, I'm just aping into some coin, like that. We can use ape word in the crypto. Next word is shill. For example, if I am promoting some coin, others will say like this guy is shilling this particular coins or tokens. So especially when we are promoting, voluntarily promoting some coins, that these fundamentals of these coins are very good and it will have a bright future in the market, like that. We can use shill word in the crypto. So next word is whale. Whale is a term especially when a huge bag of crypto is owned by a person, especially Bitcoin whales and Dogecoin whales, Ethereum whales. Some guys will be having huge amount of tokens with those who are early investors majorly. So they will be holding large amount of crypto tokens in their portfolio. Those guys are called whales. Next word in this list is NYKNYC, which is a short form for a phrase called not your keys, not your coins. This word is especially used when some, for example, I report a complaint that I lost my coins in my wallet. Now, who is responsible for it? Now, factly speaking, there is no one responsible for your coins, especially when that is not your keys, not your coins. Few people will be holding coins on MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then they might be doing some mistake in entering the token address or wallet address. Then by mistakenly, if the coins get lost or if you forget the keys, then definitely nobody is going to be responsible for that. That is the thing in blockchain. And next word is sats. This word is especially used for only BTC. This is a minimal last unit of the Bitcoin. One Satoshi equal to 0.00001 BTC. So I have, for example, I have 1600 sats, which means it is almost close to $0.1. So that's how it is used, sats. Next word in this list is fiat. Fiat is a term especially used for currencies like government issued currencies like INR, USD, EUR, GBP, etc. So, when the country issues the coins legally by the government, those currencies are called fiat currencies. Next word is shitcoin. Shitcoin is a coin where there is no fundamentals, and sometimes it appears to be a scam. Most of the tokens that are generating day to day, not all the coins are having good fundamentals, but 90% of them must be shit coins. All right. So last word is very interesting. It is dildo. That's not what you are thinking about it. It it is generally termed for huge candles on the charts, especially when the graph is behaving smoothly, or very low, or idly, or stable. Suddenly, when you observe a huge spike of green candle or red candle, then it is a dildo. We call it as dildo. All right. Hope you understood, and all these words are useful. When you know all this, you understand what others are saying or discussing on the social media platforms. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll come up with next good video. Stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel and do support. Thanks, guys. Bye.